Finally, we do hope you've enjoyed your time with us to Rhodes this evening. We'd like to take this opportunity to wish you a safe holiday, and we do look forward to the pleasure of your company with us on your return flight home. Thank you for flying with TUI Airways, and a very good evening to all.
Our journey in Rhodes had only just begun, and what better way to start the little adventure for the whole family, the next stop, Farma of Rhodes, where we could meet the animals up close, explore the nature there, and share some unforgettable moments together.
Can jump 10 meters. They are highly intelligent animals. They all have names. They all understand their names when I speak to them. They have all been there, all of them. I have two families in here. These beautiful animals, guys, normally, they are very aggressive. They're very dangerous animals. This is why in most countries in the world you are not permitted to come inside the enclosures, and certainly you're not permitted to feed them. Okay? In here, we welcome you, we welcome your beautiful children, because as I said to you, they have been born here, they have been raised with so much love. This is why they're so kind, this is why they're so friendly. And I'm very proud to tell you that I'm their mama, and I take care of them every single day of the year. They are truly sickness. As I said to you, it is one of the very few places in the world that you can do this. These animals are nocturnal. They have been up all night. So now you will see that slowly, they are starting to get tired. Okay?
After a wonderful day at the Farma of Rhodes, it was time to return to our hotel, slow down and soak up the sunshine by the pool. But the adventure didn't end there, because just as the day began to fade, we set out once again, this time to the breathtaking Quinn Viewpoint, where Rhodes reveals one of its most dramatic sunsets.